House apartment for rent, pinapaupang bahay. Yes, 8,000 pesos monthly, located in Dasmariñas City, Cavite. Yes, house apartment for rent, pinapaupang bahay. 8,000 pesos monthly, location Dasmariñas City, Cavite. Up and down, with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. Nakatiles na ang flooring, bagong pintura, may sariling metro ng kuryente at tubig. Yes, store. Yes, pwedeng magtindahan. Yes, kids. Yes, pets allowed. And yes, parking. Yes, inside subdivision, good community and flood-free location. Malapit sa highway, may malapit na school at market. Hello everyone, kamusta ang lahat? Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Follow and subscribe na rin kayo para lagi kayong updated sa tuwing meron akong i-upload. Yes, another day, another unit na naman ang available para sa mga naghahanap ng house apartment for rent bago malilipat ang pinapaupaang bahay. Ito po, corner lot, maganda, pwedeng magtindahan, main road, pwedeng mag-street parking, pwedeng mag-parking ng sasakyan sa harapan ng bahay. Yes, kids, good for family. Maximum na sa 10 person only. Yan, 8,000 pesos monthly, very affordable and very accessible kasi malapit sa highway, malapit sa mall, malapit sa lahat. Maganda yung bahay, maganda rin ang location. May sariling gate, may sariling metro ng kuryente at tubig. Maganda yung bahay, magandang location. 8,000 pesos monthly, house apartment for rent, location Dasmariñas City, Cavite. Hello everyone, kamusta? Marami pa po akong i-share na iba pang mga house apartment, kaya follow and subscribe kayo para lagi kayong updated. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Ayan, ito yung bakanting unit sa Dasmariñas City, Cavite. Ito pong corner lot, maganda po dyan magtindahan, matao yung lugar, palaging nadadaanan. Open na, bakante na, pwedeng i-viewing anytime para makita nyo rin ng personal. So ulit, 8,000 pesos monthly, 1 month advance and 1 month deposit only. House apartment for rent located in Dasmariñas City, Cavite. And yes guys, kung gusto nyo bisitahin, sa mga interested, pwede nyo po itong makita anytime. Pwede po kayong tumawag, mag-PM sa akin para magpa-assist. Schedule nyo na lang po ang viewing para makita nyo itong unit na house apartment at yung iba pang mga units natin na available. Yes guys, marami pa pong units. I-share ko na lang po, gagawin ko na lang ng ibang video. So ulit, ito po muna, itong corner lot na house apartment for rent. 8,000 pesos monthly, 1 month advance, 1 month deposit only. Located in Dasmariñas City, Cavite. Up and down, with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. May sariling metro na kuryente at tubig, bakante na, pwede na malipatan kaagad.